Hey, sweetie boy. Hey, sweetie. Good boy. He was eating a dead bird,
buddy.
and then the minute we got him, when he got in, he's just like leaning his head while Felix is driving.
And he was eating a dead bird?
Yeah, in the big wide median on Grand.
Oh my gosh.
So we just went on either side of the median.
Oh.
But when Felix pulled over and called to him, he just like curled up on the side of the car, and we had some pretzels in the car, so we were giving him pretzels.
Buddy, you look like you've had it so hard.
Yeah, so
He looks so tired.
he's just like trying to crawl in my lap, I think.
That's nice that he seems friendly though.
Lennox, you're such a brat now.
Oh my gosh. His tail, you can see the bone. And then his claws, so overgrown. And he's so